Babe,
I have to take.
babe, like that, babe. Like
I need the second floor in there. Okay.
like
You want
that,
to try it
babe, yeah.
again?
Yeah. Here.
Okay.
I'm gonna stand up. It looks so short, babe.
Yeah.
Your focus.
Because you're short, but. More window. More ceiling. Filipinos love ceiling.
Okay, let me see.
Okay, so we're looking for dessert.
Ice cream in a Michelin spot.
Hopefully, it is down this alley.
Okay, what are you doing?
Trying to figure out what's on this menu. I guess.
You only know the price. I think this is some coffee shop. They got the same colors and same content. Mhm.
I think you choose your flavor. So there's chocolate house, my
that's
house,
coconut.
coconut, strawberry, happy, durian, matcha. And I won't accept it. I don't know what that means.
I don't know. I think I like the fresh milk.
So, no, strawberry sounds good. Mango. How about mango and you want a fresh milk?
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna write down? Or just no, just point it out there.
Second one. 55.
Okay, let's see how he orders without English.
You have to pick the toppings.
Where is the vendor?
Do we order at the table or?
Okay, I'll wait here. No one is coming to get his order.
I guess we're supposed to write it in here. Found an English menu. Found an English menu.
Ay.
So.
Say nako. Just need it. Sawadika.
Corn?
Plus corn.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you.
The perfect timing.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
Okay, that's like a little expensive for an ice cream, but let's see if it's good. It's like 80 pesos each in the Philippines.
Yeah.
That's mango, babe.
You want to try it? Yeah.
Yeah. Take a photo. Okay. Okay. I hope it's good. I get it.
Okay.
I get it why it's 40, but I mean when you try to like convert the prices here to the to peso, it's really like a little higher, but when you taste the food, it's like very worth it. You try it.
Is it good with corn? Yeah.
That's fresh milk. Mm. It's good, man.
Yeah. It's so sweet.
What's next?
Mango.
Ooh, I bet it's so good.
Oh yeah. It tastes just like the mango sticky rice we had.
Wow. This mango ice cream It's really different from the mango ice cream I had before.
Yeah. It's different than the dirty ice cream.
It's like real mango that's melted and then
It's good.
became an ice cream. Babe,
I have to take.
babe, like that, babe. Like
I need the second floor in there. Okay.
like
You want
that,
to try it
babe, yeah.
again?
Yeah. Here.
Okay.
I'm gonna stand up. It looks so short, babe.
Yeah.
Your focus.
Because you're short, but. More window. More ceiling. Filipinos love ceiling.
Okay, let me see.
Yes. Here, you can show her the picture. Show them the picture of what you want.
Okay.
That one?
I thought you have other. They have a here also.
Ah. Okay. Let's use that one. Is that combo haba?
Yeah. Should we order the bigger for us?
Okay.
No English.
Just point to one. Which one do you want?
This one.
Okay.
What's this?
Toast. That one looks good with s'mores.
You want it?
Okay. Alright. Let's get this toast. But I say that toast.
Okay.
Okay.
And this
Yeah.
one. And this one, right?
Yeah.
And this one. One. Okay. Sure.
It's for this place. What are we doing after this?
Sunset.
Okay.
Sunset by the river. Spaghetti?
It's a little bigger than we thought.
Big.
Yeah.
Spaghetti.
Oh.
Have you had a Thai spaghetti before?
No.
Should I order?
If you want to. You really want spaghetti?
I want the spaghetti and
We're near here. We can come get spaghetti again.
okay.
Because we're going to that restaurant after this.
Yeah.
See the jellies in there.
Wait. Photo. This is like our second dessert shop. Toast with s'mores on
Whipped
it.
cream. I think it's whipped cream
Oh,
and
whipped
chocolate.
cream. Ah?
I didn't know if it was marshmallow.
Mmm.
Good.
The bread is also like butter.
Yeah, they grilled it. On a little gas grill. That is homemade grilled toast with whipped cream and it was 30 baht, so it's about 50 pesos, but it's pretty big.
I think we bought a very big one.
Yeah.
And this too. I picked the biggest because when we had ice cream earlier, like it's just one scoop.
Yeah, this is the value place. Near Cape Anise. What does this taste like? Cereal?
It's bland. The ice is bland.
It's like
It's like an ice now.
it is. It's like an ice scramble. And I saw they only put 3
Condensed
bingos.
milk.
They put 3 bingo in this whole ice thing. Oh, it's like half a kilo of ice with 3 bingo. That's why it's not very chocolate. Put some of the whipped cream on there. Whipped cream. How do you try that?
Maybe we just had like a very good ice cream before this.
Yeah, very good. It's definitely quality over quantity type decision. We did both. All right, we're gonna save some video for the rooftop, hopefully sunset. What time is it? 4:30.
4:30.
Perfect timing. So.